In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Slides. Let's start by getting to the right place. Open your web browser and go to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the Google Slides home screen, which shows any recent presentations and a few options to start something new. This is your hub for creating, organizing, and opening slide decks stored in Google Drive. If you want a completely clean slate, choose the option labeled Blank Presentation. This opens a new deck with a simple title slide. It's perfect if you already have a specific design in mind or want full control over colors, fonts, and layout from the beginning. Click into the title and subtitle placeholders to rename your presentation and set the main topic. From here, you can add more slides using the plus button in the toolbar and pick layouts that match your content, like title and body, section headers, or two-column layouts. A quick tip, even with a blank start, you can still apply a theme later, so don't stress about design right away if you're focused on content. If you prefer a head start with formatting and structure, look for the template gallery on the home screen. Clicking it expands a collection of ready-made designs organized by category, such as education, business, and personal. Templates come with coordinated colors, fonts, and slide layouts that save time and help your presentation look polished. Using a template is especially helpful when you want consistent styling across many slides without tweaking each one. Browse the gallery, find a design that matches your purpose, and click it to open a new presentation based on that template. Once it loads, you'll see placeholder text, sample images, and preset layouts. Replace the placeholder text with your own by clicking and typing, and swap any example images with your visuals. The structure is already arranged to guide you so you can focus on your message. If something doesn't fit, you can still adjust layouts, delete slides you don't need, and duplicate the ones you do. Remember, a template is just a starting point. You're free to customize it as much or as little as you like. That's all you need to get started. Go to Google Slides, choose a blank presentation for full creative control, or open the template gallery and pick a design that fits your project. With either approach,